Looking for a true Vermont escape? This meticulously built cabin sits on more than 60 acres of peaceful woodland, perfect for hunting, exploring, or simply recharging in nature. The wraparound porch gives you 3 sides of fresh air and potential views. Inside, natural woodwork, an efficient layout, and 2 bedrooms create a warm and inviting retreat. A Hearthstone wood stove keeps the cabin cozy, while 200-amp service, hot water, Starlink internet, and generator-ready setup bring modern convenience. The land features sugar maples, trails, old stone walls, and a hunting blind. Plus, an oversized insulated garage and a shed with bunkhouse potential. Whether for hunting, weekends away, or a year-round getaway, this Vermont property has it all. Schedule your showing today.